Hey, what's going on, guys? Shaw the Lion here. Welcome back to another vlog. So in today's video, I'll be telling you guys about DIY. So DIY, do-it-yourself wall art. Create your own artwork using canvas, paint, or even recycled materials. You can try abstract designs, geometric patterns, or nature-inspired themes. Upcycling furniture. Give old furniture a new lease on life by painting, staining, or adding decorative elements like stencils or decoupage. Indoor plant decor. Incorporate indoor plants to add a touch of greenery and freshness to your space. You can use simple pots, hanging planters, or even repurpose old containers. Organizational hacks. Showcase clever storage solution or organization tips to declutter and maximize space, such as using storage bins, drawers, dividers, or vertical shelving. Photo gallery wall. Create a personalized gallery wall using printed photos, postcards, or other memorabilia to display your favorite memories and moments. DIY cushion covers. Sew or use fabric glues to create unique cushion covers that match your room's color scheme or theme. Mood lighting. Experiment with different types of lighting, such as a fairy light, string lights, or DIY paper lanterns to create a cozy and inviting ambience. Removable wallpaper. Use peel and stick wallpapers to add patterns and textures to your walls without the commitment of traditional wallpaper. Revamp a bookshelf. Organize and style a bookshelf with a mix of books, decorative items, and small plants to turn it into a statement piece. Customize curtains. Personalize your curtains by adding tassels, fabric paint designs, or using fabric dye to create a unique look. So yeah, as always, where the grind don't stop, the tea stays green and the lions stay roaring. And God bless the entire world, including Afghanistan. India, peace.
Who I used to be.
Remember who you are. You are my son, the one true king.